People are going to say what they're going to say about who you are or who they think you should be, but that doesn't matter.
And right now at Te Whānau, to grace the stage and carrying on that legacy, Nikau Grace.
You shouldn't listen to what people say or what they tell you, because you are the person who decides that. A whakapapa to Te Arawa and Ngāti Tūwharetoa and Te Whānau-ā-Apanui. I haven't always felt a strong connection to my taha Māori. Mainly because growing up, I was brought up with my English side of the family. A lot of people question or tell me who I am. They've got the blonde hair and the white skin, or like when I was in the kapaka, them saying that I don't look like I should be here, or people telling me I shouldn't be wearing my taonga. If you hear the same thing enough, you start to believe it yourself, eh? I went through an identity crisis because some girls were telling me that I'm not who I am.
Here you go, Poppy.
Yep.
Here's your sister feeding you.
She looks so young.
When she was little. Does that look like Nikau? Yeah, it does.
Whānau is the most important thing in my life.
Who's that?
Nikau got bigger.
That's right, when she's a bit bigger.
I would say I am on a journey, learning more about my whakapapa. I live with my Nana June, and she is a massive help. Obviously, she knows her own whakapapa, but she knows every single one of her mokos as well. So she knows mine, like, off by heart, basically. She's got documents and everything, and she also, like, reaches out to other people who may have information that, you know, can make connections for me. I'm really lucky because I'm surrounded by people who are able to teach me these things.
Good girl.
Music is the easiest way for me so far to connect to my Māoritanga, and I think it will help me on my journey a lot.
All right, so any of your top notes tonight, just go, just think that, yeah? You'll be all good,
Okay.
all right?
Music is my language. It is how I say what I want to say. For me, when I perform in Te Reo Māori, I do feel a lot more connected to me and knowing in myself who I am, no matter what people tell me. I don't think there is a certain look that a Māori is. You have the blood, you are Māori. Doesn't matter what you look like. Ko Nikau Grace cheira ahau. Mai I maketu ki tongariro. Pupuru ki a u, pupuri ki a mau. Tōku Tuakiri.